Transfer function of a linear system is 200 ej10. The system is A distortionless attenuator, B amplifier with phase distortion, C distortionless amplifier, D attenuator with phase distortion. The correct answer is distortionless amplifier. Which one is discrete time periodic signal? A sin 3pn, B cos 2pn, C sin 3pn, D all. The correct answer is sin 3pn. Frequency domain of a periodic triangular function is A discrete sinc function, B continuous sampling function, C discrete sampling function, D continuous sampling square function. The correct answer is continuous sampling square function. The inverse Laplace transform of A at B at C1 at D1 at. The correct answer is 1 at. The effective value of the waveform in the given figure is A5, B2.5, C2.5, D5.0. The correct answer is 5.0. If IT is a time-varying current is A initial current, B initial charge, C initial flux leakages, D initial voltage. The correct answer is initial charge. For the discrete time system of the given figure, A yk 0.5 uk2 uk 0.25 yk1, B yk 0.5 uk1 uk 0.25 yk1, C yk 0.5 uk 1 0.25 yk1, D yk 0.5 uk1 uk1 0.25 yk1. The correct answer is yk 0.5 uk2 uk 0.25 yk1. The signal is A periodic for T0, B non-periodic, C periodic for T0, D depends on T. The correct answer is non-periodic. In the state equation XAXBU is a nXM matrix. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. Which one is a non-causal system? A YNX2N, B YNXN2, C YNXN2XN, D all. The correct answer is YNX2N. A linear system is characterized by HBE22. The system is physically A unrealizable, B realizable, C depends upon B, D depends upon constant 2. The correct answer is unrealizable. The current in a circuit with 10 resistance is I3 4 sin 100 T 45 4 sin 300 T 60 A. The RMS current and power dissipated are A 41 A and 410 watts, B 35 A and 350 watts, C 5 A and 250 watts, D 11 A and 1210 watts. The correct answer is 5A and 250 watts. Fourier transform pair are A autocorrelation and power spectral density, B autocorrelation and convolution, C convolution and power spectral density, D autocorrelation and energy. The correct answer is autocorrelation and power spectral density. A signal xn sin 0n is the input to a linear time invariant system having a frequency response Hej. If the OP of the system is a xn in 0, then the general form of Hej will be A in 00 for any arbitrary real, B in 002 pk for any arbitrary integer k, C in 002 pk for any arbitrary integer k, D in 00. The correct answer is N002 pk for any arbitrary integer k. A causal system having the transfer function is excited with 10t. The time at which the output reaches 99 of its steady state value is A 2.7 sec, B 2.5 sec, C 2.3 sec, D 2.1 sec. The correct answer is 2.3 sec. For exponential function e at the Laplace transform 1 as A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. Consider the sequence xn4j51j24, A4j2.5j24j2.5, bj2.51j2.5, cj5j20, dx14. The correct answer is j5j20. The Z transform of a system is if the rock is Z0.2, then the impulse response of the system is A 0.2 nn, B 0.2 nn1, C 0.2 nn, D 0.2 nn1. The correct answer is 0.2 nn1. Rock of sequence xn3 nn4 nn1, AZ4, B3Z4, CZ4, DZ3. The correct answer is 3Z4. TB is a pulse function. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. A signal is sampled at Nyquist rate fs to f0. The function can be recovered from its samples only if it is a periodic square wave of fundamental frequency f0, B triangular wave of fundamental frequency f0, C periodic sine wave of fundamental frequency f0, D unit impulse function. The correct answer is periodic sine wave of fundamental frequency f0. A voltage wave is V50 centi. Its average value calculated over full one cycle is A0, B 35.36 V, C 31.85 V, D none of the above. The correct answer is 0. If f1t and f2f are two functions of time and a and b are constants, then ALAF1t BF2t AF1s BF2s, BLAF1t BF2t AF1s BF2s, CLAF1t BF2t AF1s BF2s, D none of the above. The correct answer is LAF1t BF2t AF1s BF2s. Fourier transform of ft. AJFF, B2PFFF, CFF, D none. The correct answer is JFF. A voltage wave is I100 centi. Its average value calculated over one half cycle is A0, B 70.72 V, C 63.70 V, D none of the above. The correct answer is 63.70 V. In the given figure 15.5 show a discrete time system consisting of a unit delay system, a multiplier, and a summer such that YKXK 10.5XK. This system A is linear, B is non-linear, C may be linear or non-linear depending on value, D impossible to judge. The correct answer is linear. An RLC series circuit has a variable inductance. The value of L for resonance conditions at fundamental frequency is 0.18 H. For resonance conditions at third harmonic frequency, the value of inductance is A 0.54 H, B 0.06 H, C 0.02 H, D 1.62 H. The correct answer is 0.02 H. Which of the following is not correct? A P A par 1, B 0 P1, C. If A and B are mutual exclusive, then pa B pa PB. D. PA1 pa. The correct answer is PA pa 1. If function ft has an initial value f0 at t0, the Laplace transform of is A SFS f0, B SFS f0, C S2 floor SF0, D S2 floor SF0. The correct answer is SFS f0. A voltage V550 sin T5 sin 5 omega t is applied to a pure capacitor of capacitance 1 floor. If F314 rad sec current is A1 0.0157 cos 314 T 0.00785 cos 1570 T. B 0.0157 cos 314 T 0.00785 cos 1570 T. C 0.0157 sin 314 T 0.00785 sin 1570 T. D 0.0157 sin 314 T 45 0.00785 sin 1570 T 45. The correct answer is 0.0157 cos 314 T 0.00785 cos 1570 T. The stationary process has A. All the statistical properties dependent on time. B. All the statistical properties independent of time. C. M average is equal to ensemble average. D. Zero variance. The correct answer is all the statistical properties independent of time. If x1 t2 sin pt cos 4 pt and x2 t sin 5 pt 3 sin 13 pt, then A. x1 x2 both periodic. B. x1 x2 both not periodic. C. x1 periodic x2 not periodic. D. x1 is not periodic but x2 is periodic. The correct answer is x1 x2 both periodic. An AC network has a power factor of 0.8 leading if the applied wave is of fundamental frequency. If the applied wave contains third and fifth harmonics, the overall power factor will be A. 0.8 leading, B. less than 0.8 leading, C. more than 0.8 leading, D. 0.8 leading or more. The correct answer is more than 0.8 leading. If Ft satisfies Drichlet conditions, then Ft can be expanded in Fourier series containing A. only sine terms, B. only cosine terms, C. cosine terms and constant, D. sine terms and constant. The correct answer is only sine terms.